In this video, I will show you what are the things that we should do when there is an earthquake. Always remember, duck, cover, and hold. How to do duck, cover, and hold? First, duck down to the floor. Second, take cover under a sturdy table or desk. Lastly, hold on until the shaking stops. Reminder, avoid danger spots near windows, hanging objects, mirrors, or tall furniture. If you take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, hold on to it and be prepared to move with it.
I'm gonna show you the basic survival step when the earthquake is happening. First is don't panic, and the second is duck, like this, duck. And the third step is find a table or any hard, yung matibay na ganito. Then mag-duck dito, and then the fourth step is hold.